What might be the first thing we have to do?
Expand the bracket.
Expand the brackets. So, what's it going to be?
X squared plus
Squared plus
4x plus 4.
Okay, so we've got that. So now, what do we do? So now we've got to write dy dx. Now we can find the derivative. So everyone should be able to find the derivative of that.
2x plus 4.
2x. No, it's not.
So, if I've got dy dx, thanks. If I've got, everyone can differentiate this? Yep. So now I want to find dy dx equals 0. So what would I do now?
X equals 0.
Does x equal 0?
Dy dx equals 0.
Dy dx equals 0. So 0 equals 2x plus 4. So now I can solve for x. So take 4. So 2x equals -4. -2. What do we need to do now?
Sub in -2 equals
-2 into? Which one do we sub it into?
y squared plus
Do we sub it into this one or this one?
Original.
The original one. That's where people make mistakes. They will sub it into this one rather than this one. If they sub it into that one, they're going to get 0, aren't they? So let's sub it into the original one. So we can sub it into this equation or this equation. So how should we write coordinates?
X1 first and then y.
Yep, in our brackets.
Round brackets.
So don't forget to write it in coordinates in round brackets. Coordinates of the tangent is parallel to.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What's the
So we want to find the coordinates at the point where the tangent is parallel to that. So we're still working on this graph. What do we know that the tangent is? What is the tangent?
The gradient.
It's the instantaneous gradient at a certain point. What's dy dx?
The radius.
This is the equation of the tangent. So we know dy dx equals 2x plus 4. Yep. So that's the equation of the tangent. At any point. Yep. So dy dx is the gradient is the equation of the tangent at any particular point. I want to find the point where it's parallel to y equals 6x minus 1. There's something in this that relates. We've got to get something out of this equation. Does anyone tell me?
Common factor of 2.
So what is dy dx? It's a tangent, but what else is it? It's the gradient. We can find the gradient. What do we know about the gradient of this equation?
It's 6.
Yeah. So, the gradient is 6. So what do we want dy dx to equal?
6.
6. So, if it's parallel, then dy dx is going to equal 6. So we go 6 equals 2x plus 4. We can solve for x, then we can find the coordinates like we did over here.
But that says if parallel.
Yeah. Because find the coordinates of the tangent, it's parallel. Okay, so if it's parallel, then that must be equal to that. Does that make sense? So two lines are parallel, they've got to have the same gradient. So if I'm minus 4 to both sides, yep.
Oh, down the wrong.
Radio. So I've got my X value. Have I finished?
No.
No. I've got to find the Y coordinate. So how do I find the Y?
Into the Y equation.
Which Y equation? I've got that Y equation. I've got that Y equation.
C1. Y equals 6x minus 1.
Because you want the one that's parallel to that one.
It's only parallel to it. Okay? I want it on this curve.
Oh.
Yep. So I've got to sub x equal 1
Put into the Y.
into our original Y because it's on that curve. Yep. Yeah, so we've got to write our coordinates. Don't forget to write that. Make sure we finish the question. So on this curve, if I drew that graph, at the point 1, 9, my gradient of the tangent is going to be 6, which is parallel to that line. Does that make sense? Okay, so you should be able to